Subscribe channel for more interesting products. Buy this product by clicking the link giving in description. Note: FAT32 is factory default drive format, which is read-write compatible with Windows and Mac OS, while NTFS is compatible with Windows but semi-compatible with Mac OS. Please format it properly if need. FAT32 cannot support a single file up to 4 GB. Please reformat to NTFS or exFAT if need. The factory capacity 32G counts as bellows. 1 MB equals 1000 kilobytes, 1 G equals 1000 kilobytes. But for computer capacity counts via binary algorithm. 1 MB equals 1024 kilobytes, 1 G equals 1024 kilobytes. It means 32 grams factory capacity will only show about 30 G on computer. Compatible and compact. The USB stick. Is backward compatible, it can plug it into any USB 2.0 port. The memory stick supports operating systems including Windows 2007 8.1.10 Vista XP 2000 ME NT Linux and Mac OS. No need to install any additional drivers to use to the flash drive. Features: safe, every piece tested and formatted via the specific machine before delivery. The slim design top provide protection for USB port. The lightweight design allows you to carry it anywhere. LED indicator: this USB jump drives have a light that flashes when downloading files to it. Anti-skidding surface: the flash drive has matte surface cap and ABS plastic rubber oil skin feeling finished body to avoid to leave your fingerprint on it. Keyring design: the end of the USB memory sticks have a loop for a lanyard or key ring to keep it safe or on your keys. Unbranded USB thumb drive: print your logo or memo on the zip drives as you wish to your customers or employees. For all ages and purpose, the zip drives are suitable for storing digital data for school, business or daily usage. Apply to data storage of music, photos, movies and other files. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.